Congratulations on selecting the 101 Voice IP862G color screen phone for your business. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the most out of your new phone. First, let's take a look at the basic components. The IP862G has a few components that'll be familiar to anyone who has used a landline phone, such as a handset and a dial pad. These function as you would expect. It also has two color LCD displays, the main display at the top and the secondary display on the right. Let's take a closer look at the main display. When you're on a call, the main display will show the caller ID information for the person who called you. When you're not on a call, it'll show the time and date along with indicators for missed calls and new voicemails. Under the display, you'll find 4 soft keys, which can perform several different functions. When the phone is idle, the keys are from left to right, contact, voicemail, do not disturb, and menu. Pressing menu reveals more functions on the main display: status, features, tools, phone book, call log, message, basic, and system settings. In the top right corner of the display, you'll find the message waiting light. This will flash red when you have a new voicemail. The main display has 3 side keys, and they are pre-programmed to be line keys and call park key. The secondary display shows the various functions assigned to your phone's programmable function keys, or PFKs. There are 6 PFKs on your phone and 5 pages of functions for a total of 30 keys. The key under the display is the page switch key, which will cycle through the function pages. The lower section of the display, just above the page switch key, shows what page you're currently on. You can assign a function, such as speed dialing a number, to any of these keys by long pressing it. Now let's look at the other available keys. Above the dial pad, you'll find the navigation keys, consisting of 4 directional arrows with an OK button in the center. These are used for navigating through menu options and lists on the main LCD display. Also, when the phone is idle, press OK button to access the menu, and the arrow keys can be used for the following shortcuts. Press left for missed calls, right for received calls, up for dialed calls, down for the phone status screen, long press right for voice messages. To the left of the navigation keys, you'll find 3 more keys. From top to bottom, these are hold, transfer, and conference. To the right of navigation keys, you'll find 2 more keys: voicemail, where you can check your voicemails, and headset. Under the dial pad, you'll find volume up and down buttons, and the mute button. Finally, in the bottom right corner, you'll find the redial key and the hands-free speaker key. Now that you're familiar with the various components of your phone, let's go over the essential functions. To place a call, either pick up the handset, press the hands-free speaker key, or if you have a compatible headset attached, press the headset key. Then use the dial pad to enter the number. Alternately, you can enter the number first using the dial pad, then pick up the handset or press the speaker or headset key. You do not need to dial a 9 or a 1 before making a call. You also do not need to dial the area code, provided the number you're dialing has the same area code as your phone's caller ID. To redial the number of the last caller, simply pick up the handset or press headset or speaker button and press the redial button. Alternatively, you can press the redial button while your phone is idle to see a list of dialed numbers on the main display. You can then press the redial button again or the dial soft key to call the last caller, or you can use arrow keys to navigate to other numbers on the list. To place a caller on hold, press the hold button or the hold soft key. To answer an incoming call, either pick up the handset, press the headset key, press the speaker key, or press the answer soft key on the main display. Your phone supports call waiting and will notify you if you receive an incoming call while you're already on a call. You do not need to put the original party on hold before answering the new call. It'll happen automatically. Here are a few more useful call functions. To access the dial by name menu, dial *66. If you want to hide your caller ID when making a call, dial star 67 followed by the number. To play the caller ID of the last person who called you, dial star 68. To set up call forwarding, dial star 72 followed by the number to which you want to forward your calls. To cancel call forwarding, dial star 73. Alternatively, you can configure call forwarding by pressing the call forward soft key. From here, you can configure unconditional, busy, or no answer forwarding for your phone. Your IP862G phone supports call parking, which places an incoming call on a system-wide hold so any other user can retrieve the call. To place a call in park, either press the call park PFK or dial #7#. After about 2 seconds, you'll hear the call park extension number, for example, 701. Then press the N soft key or hang up to park the call. The call will remain parked, and anyone can retrieve it by dialing the call park extension. If the call is not picked up, it will return to the phone that parked the call. Pickup groups allow you to use one phone to answer an incoming call on another phone, as long as both phones are in the same pickup group. While another phone is ringing, simply dial ** to intercept the call. To set up a pickup group on your account, contact 101VOICE support. Your IP862G phone supports three-way conference calling, allowing you to speak to 2 different parties in the same call. To start a three-way conference, while the first party is on the phone, press the conference soft key on the main display or conference button. Enter the number or extension for the second party and press the dial soft key. Then press the conference button again. To join the conference, use the arrow keys to select the caller on hold and press OK. When you're done with the conference call, you can hang up or press the end soft key to end the call, or the split soft key to split the callers into 2 separate calls. If you wish to transfer a call to another party, you have 3 options: attended transfer, blind transfer, and transfer to voicemail. First, we'll cover the attended transfer. While the first party is on the phone, press the transfer soft key or transfer button. Dial the number or extension for the second party, then press the dial soft key. When the second party answers, notify them of the transfer. Then press the transfer soft key or the transfer button to complete the transfer. If the second party does not answer or informs you they are unable to accept the transfer at this time, press End, then Resume to return to the first party. Now let's look at how to do a blind transfer. The procedure is very similar. First, press the transfer soft key or transfer button. Then enter the number or extension for the second party as you would for an attended transfer. But instead of pressing dial, simply press transfer again to complete the transfer. Finally, let's look at transferring to voicemail. This allows you to transfer a caller directly to another user's mailbox without ringing the phone. First, press the transfer soft key or transfer button. Then dial *8 followed by the mailbox number. Then press transfer again to complete the transfer. You can change the ring type or ring volume of your IP862G in the phone's built-in menu. First, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Then, using either the arrow keys or the appropriate number keys on the dial pad, select Basic Settings. Then Ring Settings. From here, you can select either ring type or ring volume. You can also change the call volume within the built-in menu of the IP862G. First, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Select Basic. Then Voice Volume. From here, you can choose to modify the volume for your handset, headset, or hands-free speaker. You can also modify the call volume by pressing the volume up and down keys while you're on a call. To adjust the LCD energy saving mode for the IP862G, first, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Select Basic. Then Screen. From here, you can use the arrow keys to adjust the backlight levels and time, and the screensaver. Your IP862G phone supports pairing Bluetooth headset via Bluetooth adapter. First, connect the Bluetooth adapter to IP862G USB port. Then press the menu soft key or long press the OK button. Navigate to Basic Settings. Then Bluetooth. Use the navigation keys to enable it. Then navigate to Paired Device and press the Scan soft key. You will need to long press your Bluetooth headset button until you hear pairing. You will see the headset name in the list, then press Connect. You will see the Bluetooth icon on the top right of your main LCD when you exit the menu. Your IP862G phone supports Wi-Fi via Wi-Fi adapter. First, connect the Wi-Fi adapter to IP862G USB port, then press the menu soft key or long press the OK button. Navigate to Basic Settings. Then WLAN. Use the navigation keys to enable it. Select Available Network. Press OK button. Select Wi-Fi network by navigation keys and press Connect soft key. Enter the Wi-Fi password and press OK. You will see a green check mark next to Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi icon on the top right of your main LCD when you exit the menu. Your IP862G phone supports electronic hook switch or EHS technology, meaning you can equip your new phone with an optional wireless headset without any mechanical handset lifter. You can also use any compatible wired or wireless headset without an EHS cable by simply pressing the headset button to dial or answer calls. If you wish to get the benefit of the EHS feature, first plug the EHS cable into the headset connector under the phone. Then attach the other end of the EHS cable to any compatible Plantronics wireless headset. Now it's ready to use. Just press the button on the headset to make or answer a call. For more information about the part number of EHS cable or compatible Plantronics headsets, see data sheet or 101 Voice website. Now let's go over how to use your voicemail. To access your voicemail from your phone, press the voicemail button or the voicemail soft key. Then pick up the handset or press the speaker key or headset key. Alternatively, you can pick up the handset or press the speaker or headset key, press More, and then press Voicemail. Or you can simply dial *1. As long as you're calling from your phone, you don't need to enter your password. It'll log you in automatically. To access your voicemail from another phone in your office, or to access a mailbox other than your own, dial *2 to go to the voicemail portal. You can also access the portal by calling your phone from an outside number, such as your mobile phone. When you hear the voicemail greeting, dial *. Then enter your mailbox number and password. This concludes your training for the 101 Voice IP862G. You are now ready to use your new phone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to call us at 408-739-1000 or email us at support@101voice.com. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing 101 Voice for your business communication.